Hi, I am Karthik Rannan. I am the president of the Wall Street Club of Bitspilani, Hyderabad campus. Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives while they try to navigate the world of finance. I am happy that we will be able to close this workshop successfully on a very good note.
Hi, I am Raghunendra Singh and I am the Technical Director of the Wall Street Club at Bitspilani, Hyderabad campus. It was a great amazing conducting this workshop with XLR. The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets, which was very helpful for the people who are interested in the field of finance, business or analytics in general. Thank you.
I attended a workshop conducted by CSA and ACM in collaboration with XLR. So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
The journey was great. Initially, I thought that I was not proficient enough in Excel, but later I came to know there was no prerequisites for it, and then I applied for it, and it was a great course, and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
Good evening, myself Kavya Ganatra. I am from Computer Science Association. I was the POC for this ML workshop conducted by CSA and ACM in collaboration with XLR. The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our Technical Fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it. Thank you.
Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Tasneem. I'm the senior manager at 98 percentile in the HR department. And today we did a wonderful drive with XLR. It was amazing right from the very beginning, from the very first day when I got in touch with them till today. I think it was an extremely smooth journey with them. There were multiple follow-ups done by the representatives in order to check that we would be, what time we would be coming, how many people would be coming, what vehicle we would get. To that extent, they were so precise in giving all the information to us. it was extremely great to get associated with them and have a drive at XLR campus. So we are very, very happy that we got a chance to do this. Now, coming to the students, what XLR had, I think they were extremely enthusiastic. They were well prepared. They were aware of what they are coming for. I think there was some back-end preparation which they did that was commendable. They also were very confident and they were open to any kind of thing we were asking them to do. That was I think the best part. Now, I really hope we have a very, very fruitful association with each one of them and XLR in future. We are really looking forward to have many more drives like this.
Hi everyone, my name is Prachi Sharma and I'm the Senior Project Manager for IT Department at 90th Percentile. So today we were here for this IT bootcamp, right, this technical drive and at XLR. So it was a great experience and I would feel that the students, they are the freshers, right, but it doesn't seem like that. So if I talk about their technical and cognitive ability, they all seems pretty good in that and that's what I felt. And I guess they have been taught pretty well at XLR, so that's how they have performed good in their aptitude and the technical tests. So I wish them all the best and it was a very great experience over here.
Hi, this is Patan, Technology Consulting Manager from 98th Percentile. We visited XLR for the campus placement drive and it went very well today. Miss Ambika, Miss Pragati, everyone received us greatly here and we had a lot of enjoyable time here. The students even had great experience with us. They were interactive, they had good aptitude and all the technological skills they showed. I think they were all well and we really appreciate their time that they spared to us and I think we'll be doing a great job. We are expecting a lot of people to be hired from them. Let's see. It was a great experience altogether.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
From entering into the cyber tower to exiting out of this tower, the XLR team has been received me with such a care and pleasure.
I am the part of this XLR since 4 months. From the third month itself, they have conducted the placement sessions from the third month itself, and this is the 4th month, and this is the 90th percentile is one of the placement drive I have attended so far, and attending to this drive is such a good experience for me. all the HRs and the team made us feel very comfortable and confident.
XLR helped me a lot, and I experienced a lot of things today. So I'm really hope to be I placed in that company. I'm confident about that. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Hope all are doing great. So please respond me in the chat box. Okay. So as I shared the screen, so we have a programming skills and quantitative aptitude subject wise test on 4th and 5th. Okay. Thursday and Friday, same timings, 6:30 to 8 o'clock. Okay. In between this, I will conduct a test. So please don't miss the exam, and please inform your friends also to join and to attend the subject wise test. Okay. So I can see here many people. Shimanta, Tanusha, Trived, Tridev. So nobody's responding. Okay, no problem. So today I'm not going to conduct any quiz. Okay, tomorrow I'm going to conduct a quiz. So I will include today's topic also, and tomorrow I'll conduct the test. Okay. So any more questions, guys? Regarding certificates, so all these things, please let me know. Okay, good to go. We'll move to the session. Okay. So today we have Mr. Sai Kiran with us. Yes. Sai Kiran, you can take up the class. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Chandana. So in the last class, I have discussed this races and circular tracks, races part. Now I will be discussing. So before I get into that, I gave you 4 questions to solve now. So first and second, I told here itself. So last one, I want you people to tell me the answer. Last one, you tell me the answer. Be fast. Last one, you tell me the answer. Tell me the answers. A equal to 4, B equal to 2. Lavanya. Again, other people. See, last one alone, I will be telling you that simple way we can easily solve this. See here. So what is he saying? In a 100-meter race, A beats B by 20 meters or 10 seconds. Am I correct? In a 100-meter race, A beats B by 20 meters or 10 seconds. What does this mean? So people who have doubt, they can refer that last question. Yesterday, what I told, that last question, you can refer. So in a 100-meter race, A is beating B by 20 meters or 10 seconds. So what does that mean? So A, if it is 100, B will be at 80. So A is beating B by 20 meters or 10 seconds. 10 seconds. So from this, can I say that speed of B? So if you want, I'll write here. B covers 20 meters in 10 seconds. So it means that speed of B is equal to 20 by 10, that is 2 meters per second. and then time of A for 100 meters is equal to time of B for 80 meters. Am I correct? So this is 100 by speed of A is equal to 80 by speed of B is 2. So 2 ones 40s. 0, 0 will get cancelled. So speed of A is equal to 10 by 4. So it will be 2.5 meters per second. Okay. So is anybody having doubt in the last session? Okay. Okay. Now put circular tracks as heading. Circular track as heading you put. Circular tracks. See, now coming to circular tracks, I'll directly get into the questions. There will be again 3 cases, only 3 cases. Those cases, if you are okay, then problem will be over. So topic will be very small. So I think question will not be visible if I turn on the camera. 1 minute. A and B are running around a circular track of 200 meters with speeds of 2 meter per second and 5 meter per second. What is the time taken by them to meet at the starting point for the first time? See, A and B are running around this circular track. This is the starting point, you think. A is going like this with 2 meter per second. Okay. 200 meter circular track. And B is also, B speed is at 5 meter per second. Whatever direction they travel, not an issue. Why I will tell you that. So whatever direction they are traveling, that is not a problem because see, to meet at the starting point, this you have to underline at put. So time of A, first I'll tell you the general way, next I'll give you the shortcut. So time of A for one round. For one round, time will be, time equal to what for us? Distance by speed. So distance is how much? Distance is nothing but, time of one round is nothing but 200 by, for putting one round, A will take 100 seconds. Am I correct? B will take 200 by 5, that is 40 seconds. B will take 40 seconds. Now coming to 2 rounds. 2 rounds, this will be 200 seconds. This will be 80 seconds for 2 rounds. For 3 rounds, it will be 300, it will be 120 seconds. For 4 rounds, this will be 400, this will be 160 seconds. For 5 rounds, this is going to be 500, this is going to be 200 seconds. So now, see here, which is common point in both the cases. Here I have 200 and here also I have 200. So why? It means that A is going and putting 2 rounds. So exactly, this is the starting point, you think. A will put 2 rounds and A will be here at this point, A. In the same time period, what happens now? B will put 5 rounds. B will put 5 rounds, B will put. B will put 5 rounds and this also will be at the starting point. So both are at starting point after how many seconds? 200 seconds. Both are at starting point after 200 seconds. Okay, both are at starting point after 200 seconds. Now, for this shortcut, I'll tell you, see. Time to meet at starting point. Time to meet at starting point. So time to meet at starting point is nothing but starting point equal to LCM of LCM of time of A, comma time of B for one round. Time of B for one round. That is LCM of time of A for one round is 200 by 2. Time of B for one round is 200 by 5. So that is LCM of 100 comma 40. This is going to be 200 seconds. Okay. So at starting point, if we find this word at starting point, we are going to take LCM. Why LCM? LCM because what we are finding here, we are trying to find the common time period in both the cases. To make any two or more terms common, what we will do, I have already told you. Okay, at starting point means we are going to take LCM. Okay, so copy this. Okay, next one you do. You do this question and tell me the answers. Be fast, everyone. So 300 seconds. Very good. Nothing. At starting point is there or not, you check out. So if it is at starting point, that is LCM of time of A, comma time of B for one round. For one round. So what will happen? That is LCM of 300 by 5, comma 300 by 6. So it is LCM of 300 by 5 means how much? 60, comma 50. So how much is it? 300 seconds. That's it. Okay. Now see the difference between this question and next question and tell me what is the difference. A and B are running around a circular track of length 200 meters with speeds of 3 meter per second and 2 meter per second. What is difference between earlier question and this question? Tell me. Here direction is given. Apart from direction, anything you can find out? So apart from direction, here something is given. What is that? Starting point is not mentioned. Very good. So here starting point is not mentioned. So they should meet that he has given. So now once see, if it is a case of opposite direction, this is a length of 200 meters. This is the starting point. A is going like this with a speed of 2 meter per second. And B is going like this with a speed of 3 meter per second. 3 meter per second. Now what is this? See, tell me what is this? See, I'll try to open this knot. Okay, this starting point knot if I open, this will be like, this is 200 meters. A is going like this with a speed of 2 meter per second. And B is coming like this with a speed of 3 meter per second. Okay, did you see this diagram somewhere? See, what is the difference between earlier? They should again come and meet at this point only. Now it is not like that. If A is coming like this and B is coming like this, they will meet somewhere here. That we have to tell. Okay, that we have to tell. Okay, so now where you have seen this? Do you remember that relative speed case? So time to meet equal to distance by relative speed. That is nothing but distance by S1 plus S2. So it is 200 by 5. So how many seconds? 40 seconds. So time to meet for the first time means we will take relative speed case. Time to meet at the starting point means it is going to be what? LCM case. So now this is 200 meters, same direction case I'll take. A is coming like this, B is also coming like this. Now time to meet will be equal to distance by relative speed. So that is nothing but distance by 200 by S1 minus S2. Okay, that is 200 by 3 minus 2, that is 1, or else 3 minus 2. So that is 200 seconds, that's it. Okay. So at the starting point means it is LCM case. Only meeting time means it is going to be relative speed case. So now I want you people to solve this question and tell me the answer. Same question, just I changed the values. Solve and tell me the answers. What is the answer? So 30, 150, very good. 30, 150, Deekshita, and then Neeraja, then Tanusha. So simple now, opposite means what? 300 by 4 plus 6. This is opposite. Same means it is 300 by 6 minus 4. So this is 30. This is 150. That's it. Super. Next. So now, before we get into this, I want you people to note down a point. Race time equal to race time is equal to or else wait a second. Note down this, very important. Number of meetings is equal to race time by first meet time. Race time by first meet time. Race time by first meet time. Okay. So you note down this, I'll tell you. Very important. Note down this. So race time see, race time means race time is nothing but, suppose see here, we'll directly go to the question now. See, A and B are running around a circular track of length 300 meters with speeds of 3 meters per second, 3 meters per second and 2 meters per second. How many times will they meet in a race of 900 meters. How many times will they meet in a race of 900 meters? See now, race is equal to what? Race is equal to 900 meters. See, track is of 300 meters length. So race is of 900 meters means how many laps they'll go? How many laps they are going? So how many laps they are going to put? Respond, how many laps they'll put for 900 meters? One round is 300 meters. For 900 meters, how many laps they'll put? So they are going to put 3 laps. That's all, no? So A speed is 2 meters per second and B speed is 3 meters per second. Whatever might be the race, who will win the race? Who will win the race? B will win the race. So race time is nothing but race time is common. Whatever direction they are traveling, it is winner's time. Winner's time for how many meters? For 900 meters. Race time is nothing but winner's time. Winner's 900 meters. Who is the winner here? Whatever may be the direction. So that is time of B. B for 900 meters. 900 meters. So race time for us now will be equal to 900 by 3. So how many seconds? 300 seconds. This is common. Whatever might be the direction they are going. So whatever direction it is, B will be winning the race. So race time will be 300 seconds. Okay. Okay. Now coming to in denominator what it is. See here in denominator what it is. First meet time. First meet time means what you will take. First meet time means distance by relative speed is nothing but first meet time. So okay. First meet at starting point means then we are going to take LCM case. Okay. Now see opposite direction means first meet time to meet. Time to meet equal to what? Distance by relative speed, that is S1 plus S2. So that is 300 by 5. So how many seconds? 60 seconds. Same direction case. Same direction means one fellow will be coming like this and another fellow also will come like this. So time to meet is equal to distance by S1 minus S2. So that is 300 by 3 minus 2. So that is 300 seconds. So now number of meetings. Number of meetings is nothing but what it is, meetings equal to race time. Race time by first meet time. Am I correct? First meet time. So this is in opposite direction case, it is going to be 300 by 60, that equal to 5. Here it is going to be 300 by 300, that equal to 1. Here it is 5 meetings. Here it is going to be 1 meeting. Okay. So see this and tell me whether you understood or not. Is anybody having any doubt? No, sir. Starting how we can take 300 seconds as race time. See, race time is nothing but suppose a race is going on for 100 meters, Bolt completed in 7 seconds, you think. Winner's time period is the race time. Generally, what people think, na, till all the people complete the race, that will be the race time they'll think. That is not correct. Whoever wins the race, that fellow total distance in what time he'll complete, that will be the race time. So now total distance of the race is 900 meters. Who is going to win? B is going to win. So B's speed is 3. So whatever time B takes to complete the race of 900 meters, that will be our race time. Okay, understood, Tanusha? Okay, so now with this, I'll end this topic of circular tracks. Put heading as probability. Probability, you can put heading. Now I'll be getting into probability. So whatever you know about probability, you tell me now once. So you are able to view the probability screen, na? Confirm me once whether you are able to view the probability screen or not. Probability, permutations and combinations are very important. So probability means what? What do you mean by probability? What do you mean by probability? You tell me. What do you mean by probability? See, probability we are seeing from our 10th class or 11th class. Am I correct? So probability is nothing but, see here, probability is nothing but, first initially I'll tell you weightage of this in all the competitive examinations. In placements, you'll get nearly 5 questions from probability. Banking exams, insurance examinations, 2 questions in prelims. In mains, there is a possibility of giving 5 questions. In SSC exam, RRB exam, or your state government exams, state government examination, you'll be getting around 2 questions from it. If you go for CAT, 9 marks to 15 marks would be the weightage. If you go for GATE, 4 marks would be the weightage, including maths. Okay. Okay. So now, let me tell you how probability will be calculated. Probability of any event will be equal to favorable ways by total ways. Favorable ways by total ways. So I'll be taking it as F by T. See, for example, there are 3 red balls and 2 black balls, you think. 3 red balls and 2 black balls in a bag. And 2 black balls in a bag. 2 black balls in a bag. So what is the probability of red? See what I'll do now. Now I'll open the bag and I'll try to take. I'll close the eyes and I'll try to take one red ball. So how many favorable ways are there here? Tell me, what is the probability of red? What is the probability of red? Very good. So it is 3 by 5. What is the probability of black? Probability of black would be 2 by 5. See, it means that meaning of this is, if I am picking 5 times a ball, okay, if I am picking 5 times a ball, we should be getting at least 3 times red ball. Okay. In the same way, for black ball, if I pick 5 balls, there is a possibility of getting 2 black balls. That is in my favor. So now, for example, range of probability will always be 0 to 1. Okay. So or else in terms of percentage, if I take up, it will be between 0% to 100%. See, 0 less than or equal to P less than or equal to 1, I told now, this is the range actually, range of probability. So first 20 minutes, if you are able to hear carefully, after that everything will become easy for you. Okay, 0 means probability will be 0. It is nothing but uncertain event. An event which will not happen for sure. Okay, an event which will not happen for sure, that is called uncertain event. For example, here you are picking red ball or black ball. Suppose what is the probability of yellow means what you will do? What is the probability of yellow? Okay, probability of yellow means 0, no? So probability of yellow means that is 0. See here, probability of yellow is 0. So, or else if you throw a die, you'll get results as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the probability of getting a 2-digit number means what will happen? So all single digit numbers only, no, 2-digit number means 0. 0 is the probability. In the same way, what about this one? Certain event, an event which happens for sure. An event which happens for sure is nothing but certain event. For example, what is the probability of getting a single digit number means how many single digits are there? 6. Total how many are there? 6. So probability is 1. Okay, when a die is thrown. So if probability is 0, we'll call it as uncertain event. Probability is 1, then it is certain event. Take this as example, note down. These are very important. Note down. Okay, now coming to certain event point, also you note down and put certain event. An event which happens for sure. So where probability equal to 1, we'll call it as certain event. So what is the probability of getting a single digit when single die is thrown? So what are the possible outcomes? So probability of single digit equal to what? Probability of single digit equal to 6 by 6. That is 1. That's it. Okay, now this point is very important. This point many times they have given in the exam. Okay, if the probability of event happening A is equal to probability of event B happening, then event A and B are said to be equally likely events. What is this? Suppose India and Pakistan are playing the match. They are going for the toss. Okay, head, tail. So probability of India winning the toss is how much? 50%. Probability of Pakistan winning the toss is how much? 50%. Probability of both are same. Am I correct? Probability of both are same. Am I correct? Probability of both are same. Similarly, so if probability of both events is same and there are equal chances of both happening, then we'll call them as equally likely events. For example, when a single die is thrown, what are the outcomes? These are the outcomes, right? When a single die is thrown, these are the outcomes. Okay, probability of 1 is how much? 1 by 6. Probability of 2 is how much? 1 by 6. Probability of 3 is how much? 1 by 6. Probability of 4 is how much? 1 by 6. Probability of 5 also is 1 by 6. And probability of 6 also is 1 by 6. So all these are likely events. So all these are equally likely events. Okay. Okay. So now see this. See, so as of now, what I want you to remember is probability of any event will be equal to favorable events by total events. Suppose I'll directly get into the questions. Okay. So now see this question. See this and tell me what you understood. See this and tell me what you understood. The movie tickets numbered from 101 to 350 are placed in a box. If one ticket has to be picked at random, what is the probability that ticket contains? See, first question says that, see, first before we go to that, total number of tickets equal to 101 to 350. 101 to 350 means it is number of tickets is total is nothing but 250 tickets. Am I correct? Okay, total tickets are 250. So probability that hundreds is 3 equal to how much? So probability that hundreds number is 3. See, ticket numbers will be 101, 102, 103 like that till 350 it seems. In that tickets, so total are 250. So hundreds digit 300 to 350. That's all, no? So 51 tickets will be there. That's it. In the same way, you tell me for second one, probability that 10th digit is 3. This is the question. So in denominator, 250 is common. So in numerator, you have to check out how many are favorable. How many are favorable, you tell me. Okay, now see, I will be telling see. Okay, only 2 people are commenting. That is Dikshita commented now. 1 or 2 people are commenting. I don't know what about other people. Okay, so okay, anyway, probability that 10th digit is 3 are from 130 to 139. Next 230 to 239. 330 to 339. So totally how many are there? Totally 30 are there. Okay, 30 by 350. So 250. That will be 3 by 25 will be our probability. That's it. Okay. Okay. So like this, for sure we have to check out the favorable cases, whatever might be the problem. Okay, next question. So see this question, very important. Similar question appeared many times in the examination. Okay, see this one. In a study circle, 90% of the students are women, 80% of the women are lawyers, of whom 90% are unmarried. What is the probability that a student picked at random is unmarried woman lawyer? A student picked at random is an unmarried woman lawyer, he is telling. See, whenever you find the word percentage, which one you will take as base? Tell me. Already I took around 12 hours for only percentage. So whenever you find the word 100, which one you are going to take as base? Percentage, which one you are going to take as base? Okay. So now see, base I'll take as 100. Anyway, you people are not at all responding. Old topics you have left to air, I think. So whatever we have discussed at the starting, now you are not telling. So let total students is equal to 100, I'll assume. If I take it as 100, see, number of women are how many? 90%. 90% means 90 people. So in this 90, 80% of the women are lawyers. So from this, they are already women. Now they are lawyers. Lawyers means how much? 80%. 80% is how much? 72. 80% of 90. So now from this 72, so how much is going to be unmarried women, unmarried people, unmarried. So unmarried is nothing but in this 80, in this again 90% are unmarried. 90% means 7.2 you remove away. 7 if you remove, you will get 65, 64.8. 64.8. Suppose if you take 10 extra here, this will be 900, this will be 720. Here point will go. Here point is going to be removed. See, now I'll come to the class. So I want to pick a person. See, this class is of 1000 people. I want to pick a person who is unmarried woman lawyer. Unmarried woman lawyer. Who is unmarried woman lawyer. So total how many people are there? 1000 people are there. How many unmarried woman lawyer are there? 648. So it is going to be 0.648. Okay, 0.648. Okay, see, again I am repeating, total there are 1000 people. In that 90% are women. So it means that remaining 10, if you go for the tree diagram, answering other questions also will be very easy. So men will be how much? 100. Okay, so again here, not woman he may ask, not lawyer. Not lawyer, how many people now? 72, 720 is gone there, so 80. So again, in this married woman lawyer means how much it will be? 72, you have to add. Only it will be 72 people. Okay, so as per this question, whatever he has given, from the total 1000 people, 900 people are women. In that 900 people, 720 people are lawyers. Out of that 720 women who are lawyers, 90% are unmarried. Definitely, woman who is a lawyer, which man will dare to marry? So they are unmarried. Okay. So anyway, answer is 0.648. Understood this? Understood now? So is anybody having doubt with these questions? Okay, next I'll tell you very important points now. This question is very important. This appeared in many examinations, very important. You solve this question and tell me the answers. Be fast. Similar concept you use. So Hyundai company imports shock absorbers from two companies X and Y in the proportion of 60% and 40%. Okay, 60% and 40%. So let total is equal to 100. Okay, total equal to 100. So 100 shock absorbers it is importing. Okay, it is importing 100 shock absorbers. In that, from X company, it is taking 60%, and from Y company, it is taking 40%. From X it is taking 60%, and Y it is taking 40%. It means that it is going to be 60 from X, 40 from Y. In a quality test, it was found that 30% of the products from X and 20% from Y are defective. So these are defective. What is the probability that a shock absorber selected at random is not a defective one? So defective he has given. So defective, here it is 30%. Here defective is 20%. Defective is 20%. So defective are 8. Here defective are 18. So what is he asking? Not a defective one he is asking. He is asking you to find out not a defective one. If I pick one, it should not be defective. So not a defective one if I want to go. See here. So not defective. Not defective. How many will be there? So 42 will not be defective. Here not defective. Not defective would be 32. Totally 74 are not defective. Not defective equal to 74. So probability of not defective is equal to 74 by 100, that is 0.75. 0.74, that's it. So this model question many times it appeared, even in TCS Ninja it appeared. Okay, okay. Okay, understood? Understood. Is anyone having any doubt with this question? You tell me. Very good, Dikshita. 0.74 is correct. Okay, so now see. Okay, now let me get to some Venn diagrams case. See, there are two terms, A and B. This is probability of A. This is probability of B. This middle one is there, no? Middle one. This middle one is nothing but A and B together. A and B together. Already we have learned this in our 4th class or 5th class. A and B together means A intersection B we will take. And means always we are going to do multiplication. Again, I will repeat in permutations and combinations. And means we are always going to do multiplication. Why it should be done like that, I will be telling you. Okay, A and B together means it is A intersection B, that is probability of A into probability of B. Second one, either A or B. Okay, probability of A and B. Either A or B. It means that probability of A union B, that is probability of A plus probability of B. So it in this middle part na, in A it is included and B also it is included. So it is twice included. So once we will subtract A intersection B. Okay, probability of A intersection B. So now probability of not happening. Does anybody know probability of A bar what it is? If you know, you tell me. Probability of not happening, you tell me. Probability of not happening. A bar. Probability of not happening, you tell me what it is. See, this is called universe. That mu equal to 1. Universe total probability is 1. It means that in between this is probability of A bar, this is probability of A, these two together, probability of A plus probability of A bar together is going to be 1. So from this I can say that probability of A bar equal to 1 minus probability of A. So 1 minus probability of A. Okay. Okay. So this is called probability of not happening. Okay, very good. Very good, Dikshita. So this probability of not happening, I'll revise again why we should be doing like this. Okay. You copy this. Next, we'll get into one important part. So if suppose now two events are there, at least one means what? So now I know that at least one. What is at least one, you tell me? What is at least one? What is at least one? So now two events are there. Two events. This is A and this is B. So what is at least one happening? At least one happening. What is at least one happening? You tell me. What is at least one happening? It means that at least one is nothing but greater than or equal to 1 to maximum. Maximum is how much? Maximum how many events are there? So that is nothing but one or more. So at least one happening means, so one happening case we have to take. Similarly, two happening case also we have to take. Okay, two happening case also we have to take. So can I tell that probability of A and probability of B bar, A is happening and B is not happening, and probability of A bar and probability of B, A is not happening and B is happening. This is one happening case. And what about two happening case? Two happening also we have to take. That's all. Two happening also we have to take. Understood? Okay, now three events case I will take. There are three events now. For three events, can someone tell me how you will be doing? Three events. Can someone tell me how you will be doing? Three events case, can someone tell me? See, what happens now? At least one means this will become very calculative. For that, anyway, I will be telling shortcut to you. So one or more you told. One or more means greater than or equal to 1 to maximum. See, this alone it will be boring. After this, it will be very easy. Okay, maximum is nothing but how much for us? 3. So now what I will do now? So first one happening case, A will hit, B will not hit, C will not hit. Plus A will not hit, B will hit and C will hit. Okay. So A will not hit, B will hit and C will not hit. C will hit. Similarly, A will not hit, B will not hit, C will hit. Okay. Plus A and B will hit, C will not hit. Now one hitting case is over. Now B will not hit, B will hit, C will hit. Similarly, A will hit, B will not hit, C will hit. Next, A, B, C. All three will hit. Okay, understood? Understood. So this is very calculative, no? For this, what I'll do, probability of at least one is equal to 1 minus probability of not happening. Why we should take, I'll explain in the problems where I am going to take again. Probability of not happening. So that I'll write here once, see, probability of at least one is equal to 1 minus probability of not happening. Probability of not happening. Okay, understood? So this probability of not happening, I'll use so probability of at least one equal to 1 minus probability of not happening. Probability of not happening. Okay, so now 3 events case, if suppose if he gives you A, B, C, at least 2. At least 2 means what we will do? So at least 7 terms get, sir. You have to, for that shortcut I'll give na. Shortcut is nothing but probability of 1 minus probability of not happening. Probability of at least equal to 1 minus probability of not happening. Okay. So at least 2 means what you will do, tell me. At least 2. So at least 2 means from where we will take? See, for sure from here we have to do. Okay. Next, at most 2 means? At most 2. So for 3 case, at most 2. So at most 2. At most 2. At most 2 means what we will do? So at most 2 means less than or equal to 2. It means that 0 to 2. So 0 means A will not happen, B will not happen, and C will not happen. Or else A will happen, B will not happen, and C will not happen. So A will happen, B will not happen, and C will happen. C will not happen. So this is 0. One case. Sorry, 1 minute. Listen. 1 minute. So A will not happen, B will happen, and C will not happen. Similarly, A will not happen, and B will not happen, and C will happen. So this is one case. And 2 case also we should check. B will happen and C will not happen. Or else A will not happen and B will happen and C will happen. Or else A will happen and B will not happen and C will happen. So like this, we have to check. This will be little boring. Anyway, for this shortcut and all, I'll show you in the problems for it. Okay. Sorry for the delay. Now once see this question. See this question. See this. So now probability of A is equal to 80%. 80% means that is 0.8. Probability of B is equal to 40%. It means that it is 0.4. Probability of A bar equal to 0.2. Probability of B is equal to 0.6. Okay, first one, both A and B hit the target. A and B means probability of A union B. That equal to what? Probability of A into probability of B. Okay, second one, probability of A intersection B. Probability of A intersection B. That is probability of, sorry. A and B together means it is going to be intersection. Either A or B means it is going to be union. Minus probability of A intersection B. Okay. Third one, I want everyone to answer. Very important. Only one. Next, fourth one is at least one. So third one you answer. First, second you answer first. How much it is? Only this part is boring. After this, everything will be very easy and interesting for you. So this is nothing but 0 point, how much is it? 0.8 into 0.2. Am I correct? 0.8 into 0.4, that is 0.32. Similarly, what about this one? 0.8 plus 0.4 minus 0.32. So how much you got? 0.88. Am I correct? First one and second one, okay. Now coming to third one is very important. Only one hit the target. Only one hit target. Only one hit the target. What does this mean? You tell me. Only one hit the target. You tell me what it is. Be fast. Only one hit the target. Only one hit the target means only A will be hitting the target and B will not hit. R means that is plus. A will not hit the target and B will hit the target. Okay. So this is 0.8 into 0.6 plus 0.2 into 0.4. So this is 0.48 plus 0.08. So how much is it? Together 0.56. That's it. So next, at least one hit the target. For this, you tell me the answer. Earlier I told you na the logic. So first you substitute in this, at least one hit the target, substitute in this. So next we'll be telling the other way. That I'll use in coin probability, picking probability, there I'll be using that. You used. Okay, next at least one you see. At least one. At least one. Very important, at least one. So at least one is nothing but in two events, at least one means this is A and this is B. What we will do? A will hit, B will not hit, or else A will not hit, B will hit, or else both will hit. A and B will hit. That's all, no? So you calculate using this. This is 0.8 into 0.6 plus 0.2 into 0.4 plus 0.8 into 0.2. So this is 0.48 plus 0.08 plus 0.16. So totally how much it will come? 0.88 will come. Or at least means what I told? At least 1 will be equal to 1 minus probability of not happening. At least one exact opposite will be 1 minus none. Okay. That is 1 minus A will not happen, B will not happen. That is 1 minus 0.2 into 0.6. That is 0.1 minus 0.12. So it will be 0.88. That's it. 0.88. Okay. So both are giving the same answer now. I will use this again in picking probability, not in coin probability also. I will be using this in picking probability. Keep this in mind. Okay. So now next one, probability of at least one is over now. None hits the target. None already we have seen. None means what? None. None is nothing but A does not hit. So this is 0. Sorry, only two are there. No, 0.2 into 0.6. That is 0.12. None hitting the target is 0.12. Okay, just for understanding the calculation purpose, I have given this. So now, as you are okay with this is just simple. Okay, just to know you, show you what is at least one, what is at most one, what is not together, not case, none case. All this I wanted to show you. That is the reason I have given this. Are you all okay with this? If you are okay with this, I accept this is little boring. Now we'll get into arrangements case and then coin probability. There it will be easy for you. Okay, from there it will be very easy for you. So if you are okay with this, I'll go for that case. Next, see. Coin probability. Before we go for coin probability, I wanted to give you a simple point, that is, I need an empty slide. Arrangements you put heading. Very important, arrangements. Arrangements, you put heading. Arrangements. So I'll get into detail in permutations and combinations about this one. Okay, arrangements. A, B, C, in how many ways you can arrange means what we'll do? A, B, C, in how many ways you can arrange means what you will do? A, B, C is one arrangement. So A will come first, B will come next, and C will come next. Or else ACB is one arrangement, BAC is one arrangement, BCA is one arrangement, CAB is one arrangement, CBA is one arrangement. Totally, how many arrangements came? 6 arrangements. That is nothing but number of variables factorial. 3 variables, no, 3 factor. Now you tell me, in how many ways you will arrange gate exam, gate, the word gate, in how many ways you will arrange? Gate means how many ways you will arrange? Ashok 24, Dikshita 4 factorial. Very good. So gate I am going to arrange in 4 factorial ways. So similarly bank, how many ways you will arrange? 4 factorial. Okay. So next cat, how many ways you will arrange? 3 factorial. 3 factorial you are going to arrange. Next, suppose ECE you want to arrange. ECE, how many ways you will arrange? Actually, it should be 3 factorial. But see, ECE, if I interchange these two, again I'll get the same. So the possible arrangements of ECE are ECE, EEC, CEE. I cannot interchange E, whichever is repeated or else identical variable, that we cannot interchange. So how many arrangements came for me? 3. So arrangement is nothing but number of variables factorial by repeated variables factorial. Okay, arrangement is nothing but number of variables factorial by repeated variables factorial. SSC now how many ways you can arrange? Tell me. SSC now how many ways you can arrange? Okay, SSC we can arrange in 3 factorial by 2 factorial. Triple E, how many ways you will arrange? Triple E, how many ways you are going to arrange? Triple E you can arrange in 3 factorial by 3 factorial ways. That is only one way. So now, in how many ways can you arrange this one? Like, I want you people to answer this now. In how many ways can you arrange the word success? In how many ways can you arrange the word success? Answer me now. Okay, are you all okay now? So success, how many ways you are able to? Right, 7 factorial by Usha. Very good, Usha. Last, Usha. 7 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial. Very good. Hariprasad, Dikshita. Very good. So this is nothing but how many variables are there? 7 variables. So 7 factorial. How many S's are there? 3 S's. No. So 3 factorial. How many C's are there? 2. So 2 factorial. This is for S and this is for C. So this is our total answer. Okay. So if anybody asks what is this and all, I'll be telling you again. As of now, arrangement is nothing but number of variables factorial by repeated variables factorial. Okay, you copy this. You copy this. Okay, now see. So now let us get into coin probability. See, if you throw a if you throw a car, if you throw a coin, you'll get one head and one tail. What is the probability of head? What is the probability of tail? If you throw a coin, what is the probability of head? What is the probability of tail? What is the probability of head and what is the probability of tail? So probability of head would be 1 by 2. Probability of tail would be 1 by 2. Okay. So probability of head will be 1 by 2 and probability of tail also will be 1 by 2. So just copy this for your reference. Okay, next see. Now coming to the question. If two coins are tossed simultaneously, what is the probability that they turn up one head and one tail? So two coins. So if I throw two coins, first I'll tell the general way, then I'll give the shortcut. If I throw two coins, what are the possible outcomes? Two heads, two tails, one head and one tail, or as first tail will come, next head will come. So probability of one head, comma one tail, he is asking. Probability of one head, comma one tail. Total outcomes are 4. In that one head, one tail cases are how many? 2 are there. One head, one tail cases are 2. So it is 1 by 2. One by 2. Okay. So similarly, next one, don't write, just see this 3 coins now. If I throw 3 coins, what are the possible outcomes? All heads, all tails, one head, two tails, first tail, next head, next tail, or else two tails, sorry, tail, tail, head, or two heads, one tail, head, tail, head, or else tail, head, head. That's all, no? So probability of one head and two tails, he's asking. One head and two tails. Total outcomes are 8. One head, two tails case, how many are there? One head, two tails case. This one, and this one. So totally we have 3. So that is 3 by 8. Okay. So for 3 only we got this many. Now for 4 means again we'll get 16. For 5 means we are going to get more than that. Okay, like that number of arrangements will get increased. So what I'll do is I'll use that shortcut, that is arrangements case. Listen now, arrangements. What is arrangement? One head and one tail I should get now. So what is probability of this? 1 by 2. What is probability of tail? 1 by 2 into arrangement. Arrangement in the sense, see, head tail will come or else tail head will come. These are the two possibilities. So for this 2, you put away the arrangement. That is 2 factorial. So answer would be 2 factorial is 2 by 4. That is 1 by 2. That's it. So now Three coins, na? Three coins. What is our condition? One head and two tails. So head probability is 1 by 2. Tail probability is 1 by 2. Next tail probability is 1 by 2. And arrangement of this is 3 factorial by 2 factorial. So answer would be 1 by 8 into 3 factorial. Can I write like this? This and this will get cancelled and we'll get it as 3 by 8. Satisfied? That only here also we got. Instead of writing so much, I am using arrangements case. So before we go for that, you tell me for this 3 heads, 2 tails. What is the probability? I am throwing 5 coins, 3 heads and 2 tails. What is the probability? So directly what I'll do now, how many coins? 5 coins na? So 1 by 2 whole power 5 you take away into arrangement. That is 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Now see here 50 coins. I'll throw 50 coins. So we should have 42 heads, comma 42 heads and 8 tails. So directly it is how many coins? That many 1 into 1 by 2 whole power 50 into 50 factorial. Okay, how many coins are there? That many factorial into 42 factorial into 8 factorial. Now you tell 100 coins I am throwing. 100 coins, 98 heads, comma 2 tails. So what is the probability? What would be the answer? No need of solving, just tell me. How many coins are there? That much 1 by 2 whole power. Next, that one factorial by heads how many? Tails how many? That's all. Tell me how much you'll get. Very good. Dikshita, very good. So now this is 1 by 2 whole power 100 into 100 factorial by 98 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay. So just you copy this. This one you copy. This one you copy. Both you copy and put. That method and this method. Copied. Next, this also you copy. Next one. This also you copy. Both methods you copy and put. Next series. Okay, now take this question. You solve this question now. Similar, simple one. Solve this and tell me the answer. What would be the answer? So what could be the answer? Simple only, no? Very good. Very good. Pranjali. See, 4 coins. 4 coins means directly what I'll do, 1 by 2 whole power 4 I'll put away. He is telling that 2 heads, comma 2 tails. 2 heads, comma 2 tails means already 4 coins, so 4 factorial. By 2 heads, 2 factorial, 2 tails, 2 factorial. This would be our answer. You solve this later. 1 by 8 into 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. That is 2 only. This will get cancelled. 2 ones, 2 twos, so 2 ones, 2 fours. So that is 3 by 4. That's it. Okay. Next, solve this question. Solve this one. If 3 coins are tossed simultaneously, what is the probability that coins turn up at least 2 heads? So now 3 coins are tossed, at least 2 heads. At least 2 heads, he is saying. At least 2 heads means, what is that? Greater than or equal to 2 heads. 2 maximum, how many heads? 3 heads. That's all, no? So 2 heads case, 2 heads, 1 tail, or 3 heads. That's all, no? So now, what is this? This is nothing but 1 by 2 whole cube. In all the cases, it will be common. This is 3 factorial by 2 factorial. This would be 3 factorial by 3 factorial. That's it. You bring out that common parts outside. So this will be 1 by 8 into, this is 3 plus 1. So it is 4 by 8. So it will be 1 by 2. That's it. Okay. 1 by 2. Okay. So are you all okay with this? So now, this question you take screenshot. Tomorrow you have to tell me the answers for this. Okay. So take this as homework. Very important. So are you all okay with this, whatever I have told? So from coin probability arrangements I have told, no, that is important. Just to make you understand what is the difference, how to calculate at least once, at most once, all this, I have given that part around 20 to 25 minutes. Even though that is boring, that will be useful in these kind of cases. Now it has become easy for you. Okay, coin probability, for sure you are going to have 1 questions. Are you all okay with the class? Okay, Chandana, you can take over. I think I have cleared most of the. Is anybody having doubt? I think you are okay, no? Okay, most of them told us. Chandana, you can take up now. Tomorrow I will continue.
Yes, Saikiran, thank you. So guys, I'm sending attendance link. Please mark your attendance. Okay. So any more questions? I hope everyone done with your attendance. If not, please mark your attendance. Meanwhile, any questions you can ask me in the chat box, okay? So tomorrow I'm going to conduct a quiz on today's and yesterday's topic. Okay. I hope there is no more questions. No test today, ma'am. No. Today I'm not conducting any quiz. Tomorrow I'm gonna conduct. Okay. So if there is no more questions, means we'll wind up the session for the day and we'll meet on tomorrow, okay? So, yeah. Okay then. Okay. Bye everyone. We'll meet on tomorrow. Up to then, take care. Okay. Good night. Go and have your food.